Hey, to change wallpaper on the Redmi Note 13 Pro, first of all, you will have to click and hold with the empty space on your home screen, like this. Then you have to click in this place, the left bottom corner. Then tap I agree. And now we are actually moved into this store where we can find a lot of different wallpapers. So now if I want to get, for example, this wallpaper, I have to click on it and then I have to tap apply, and I can set it for the lock screen, home screen, on for both of them. But also if you want to set, for example, the custom wallpaper from your gallery, you will have to open your gallery. Next, let's say that I would like to set this photo. I have to click on it, then tap on the three dots, and then we have to tap to set as a wallpaper. And now we get the preview, so we can pick any part of the photo that we want and click apply. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.